Welcome to the City of Light. If you're planning a trip to Paris, France, you're in for an unforgettable experience. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from the best restaurants and hotels to scams to avoid and must-see historical landmarks. So stick around and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start with where to stay. Paris offers something for every budget. If you're looking for 5-star luxury, consider the Ritz Paris, Hôtel de Crillon, or Le Meurice. These hotels offer world-class service, Michelin-star dining, and stunning views. For budget travelers and backpackers, Paris has great youth hostels like Generator Paris, the Loft Boutique Hostel, and St. Christopher's Inn. These hostels are affordable and a great way to meet fellow travelers. Getting around Paris is easy. The metro is your best friend, affordable and efficient. A single ticket costs about €2.10, but a daily pass is a better deal if you're planning to explore all day. Taxis in Paris start at about €7.30. An additional distance or waiting time adds to the fare. Always use official taxis or ride-sharing apps like Uber to avoid scams. When exchanging money, avoid airport kiosks since they have terrible rates. Instead, use exchange bureaus near the Champs-Élysées or in the Marais district. Even better, withdraw cash from ATMs using a no foreign fee credit card for the best exchange rate. A few things to keep in mind. Drinking alcohol in public spaces is generally allowed, but public drunkenness can get you fined. Recreational drugs? Completely illegal. Also, avoid feeding pigeons. It's actually against the law in Paris. And a big warning. Watch out for scam artists running 3-card Monte games near tourist hotspots. You won't win, ever. Just walk away. No trip to Paris is complete without art. The Louvre is a must, home to the Mona Lisa and thousands of masterpieces. Want impressionist art? Head to Musée d'Orsay. Modern art? Check out the Centre Pompidou. Paris is full of history. Of course, you need to see the Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame Cathedral, and the Arc de Triomphe. But if you love history, don't miss the catacombs of Paris, where millions of bones are stacked underground. For World War II history, visit the Musée de l'Armée at Les Invalides or take a tour of the Vel-d'Hiv Roundup site to learn about Nazi occupation in Paris. Paris is a shopper's paradise. If you're into high fashion, head to the Champs-Élysées or Avenue Montaigne. For boutique shopping, the Marais district is perfect. As for food, you have to try French cuisine. Don't leave without eating a croissant from a local boulangerie, escargot, a classic French onion soup. For fine dining, consider Alain Ducasse or Plaza Athénée or Le Meurice Alain Ducasse. Weather in Paris varies. Spring from March to May is mild and perfect for walking. Summer from June to August can be hot, but the city buzzes with energy. Fall from September to November brings cooler temps and beautiful autumn leaves. Winter from December to February can be chilly, but it's magical with Christmas lights.
Breaking news.
If you like unique sights, visit the cemeteries of Paris. Père Lachaise is the most famous, where Jim Morrison and Oscar Wilde are buried. Montmartre Cemetery is another hidden gem. Paris is an incredible city, full of history, culture, and amazing food. I hope this guide helps you plan your trip. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more travel tips. Bon voyage!